All right, back for a bonus race. I got a little cone section after a really fun course. Modified it a little bit, so it's not so much of a disaster to do a leader outside the cones race. Doing cones, every time we hit a cone section. All right, we're going one more. Never mind.
2 seconds later.
Back for a little bonus race. Doing some leader outside the cones. Every time the leader hits one of these coned off sections, one right there. There's one in the back. Leader has to take it. Make sure people are bunched up, and then once we hit 2 laps to go, we stop doing it, and it becomes a heads-up race. They did modify the course from what we did during challenge night, so it is not as much of a disaster as it could have been. I mean, if we were going to do bunched up racing with like the old course, it would have been crazy. That's for sure. All right, now someone's got to take. Okay. Someone's got to take the cones there. All right, Dennis, let's go. Let's go, brother. Okay. I'm not going to let you get in front of me to, yep, go ahead, go for it. Go for it, brother. All right, now I got to take the cones. So we did not do this course before, so... the strategy is, I'm not sure what the appropriate strategy is for this turn. I can't remember what we're supposed to do. I think I'm doing it wrong is what I'm going to wager. Let me get in there. Let me get in there. Okay, thanks. I am like this. You know what's not good is when your tires, you can feel them sliding on the front straightaway, the front corner that is supposed to be full speed. That is not ideal. Yep, I feel up. They are sliding. I feel like I'm doing that turn pretty well. I don't know. I feel like it's pretty good. We got to do a little micro turn in there to ensure that we don't spin ourselves in the front corner. I will happily. This is the best position to be in right here. I want to stay in this position. Let me come out in second again. Let's go. Let's go. Can I get a 2 to go? Can I get the 2 to go flags or what? No? Okay, no problem. Not a big deal. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it, guys. Don't worry about it. Now! Get in there, Dave. Get in there, Dave. Get in there, Dave. I need to file in behind you. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't want to file in behind you. Because I don't know if I want to take this front one. This front one sounds horrible. This front one seems terrible. In fact, don't give me the 2 to go flags right now. Just give me like one more lap or so, okay? Oh, wow, we did it pretty good, though. Ah! Ah! Ah, Brian, jeez, oh man. That was aggressive, I'll say that. That was aggressive. 2 to go, okay. Time to race it out. Sorry, Clay. Sorry, Clay. All right, Brian, let's go. All right, Brian, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Ah! Ah! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go. Let's go. Good race, good race.